Sunday morning. Let's squirt some paint on this Lincoln. It's getting very, very close to getting done, getting out, getting paid. Ha ha! Yeah, so anyway, today's episode is brought by Andy's Doghouse. That's me. It's not a doghouse. Well, my wife calls it a doghouse, but I have fun here. Anyway, let's get squirting. Okay, first thing I got to do, grease and wax remover. I know I don't have any grease and wax on this area here, but I got to clean it. And I might as well use this here instead of something else like water or whatever. Anyway, I'll give this a little wipe down. Make sure there's no little fuzzies or whatever on it. Be surprised what does get stuck to this stuff here. You see just there, just wiping that down. Probably a little bit of the primer came off, but hey, gotta get it clean. So anyway, I'll continue doing this and bring it back when we start spraying. Okay, we got the paint all mixed up. Let's start spraying. One coat. We'll prevent let that back up, and then we'll squirt it again. I'll probably put 4, maybe 5 coats on. That should be good enough. But anyway, I'll be back. Okay, all tacked up, looking good. Coat number 2. Let's get at it. Let's get at it. Let's get at it. Here we go, coat number 2. Now I still have to do inside the doors, but I'm going to do that later because I don't want to do inside the doors and have to close the doors in order to do this here. There we go. It's never raining. Anyway, I'm glad I'm not outside doing this. Anyway, better set up and we'll wait for number 3. Okay guys, here we go, coat number 3. It's looking good, so I'm happy. So I'll maybe do 2 more coats after this here, then I'll do the clear coat. Hang on. Okay guys, I'm going to give her another shot. I got to wait a little bit longer between coats because it's pouring rain right now. And with the high humidity, just kind of slows the drying process down. Plus it's really cool here in Ontario today. It's supposed to start warming up again tomorrow, but I'm not painting tomorrow, I'm painting now. Anyway, I'm off to coat 4. Let me coat 4. Okay guys, final coat. on here, then I gotta open up the doors, spray all that, and then spray the trunk. Anyway, hang around. We ain't done yet. Well guys, got her all sprayed. Got 4 coats of clear on it. No, I got 5 coats of clear on it. 5 coats of paint. That's good. It's looking good, but I thought I was going to be done today. No. Nothing goes to plan. I found something that I got to work on tomorrow and the next day. Look right there on the roof. Yeah. Gotta get that done, that done, that done. I guess I was so interested in the bottom of the car, never looked at the top. Seems kind of weird. But that just starts a little stone chip, and then water gets in there. Next thing you know, you got that shit. Anyway, I'll sand her down tomorrow and prime it, and paint it, and clear it, and then I'll detail it. Anyway, I'm gonna shut her down for the day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye now.